Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Hindi nagbibiro ang ating atletang si Jerome Pete Mangliwan from the Philippines. Today's competition, he ended second and he is now on the final heat. If he wins today's competition, he is bound to get gold. So let us continue to follow Pete's journey for the golden medal. And if you like and enjoy this content, please hit the subscribe button below. And bukas, sasalang naman po si Gawilan for swimming and si Ganapin for taekwondo. Mamayang hapon, makikita na po natin ang resulta ni Gerald Mangliwan's final heat. And if you are enjoying the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Salamat po!